In this video, I will show you how to run correlation analyses in Jamovi. Let us first load our dataset. To run a correlation analysis, you go into the regression panel and choose correlation matrix. And then you pull the two quantitative variables you want to calculate the correlation for into this panel. Let's say you want to see if there is a correlation between vocabulary in kindergarten and nonverbal ability in kindergarten. So you send these two variables here, and here is your correlation. This is Pearson's R and the associated p-value. This is a statistically significant correlation, and you can reject the null hypothesis that this correlation is equal to 0. As you see, there is no possibility to evaluate assumptions here. So before you actually run the correlation analysis, you must have examined the scatter plot and evaluated the normality of each of your two variables. The reason that it says matrix here and you see more space is that you can actually run multiple correlation analyses simultaneously. So you can add a whole bunch of variables in there, and in the matrix, you will see the correlations for each pair. So this is the R for the correlation between matrices and vocabulary in kindergarten. This is between letter knowledge and vocabulary in kindergarten. This is between vocabulary in grade 1 and vocabulary in kindergarten. And this one here is between vocabulary in grade 1 and vocabulary in grade 2, and so on. If the assumptions for Pearson's R are violated, then you should calculate and report Spearman's rho instead, which you get by clicking here. And now for each pair of variables, you can get both Pearson's and Spearman's, and you can see if they are similar. Sometimes they're very similar, sometimes they are a bit different, sometimes they're more different. And that has to do with the distributions of the two variables. If you only need the Spearman, you can unclick Pearson and get a more tidy table.